Hey everybody, my name is Chris and you're watching Trebon Designs by B Rhodes. So today I'm really excited because it's the official Christmas series. I'm super excited because I'm very big on Christmas decor and decorating and all those type of things. It's something I've always loved to do. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a custom designer wreath. I'll be giving you tips and tricks on where you can get certain things and why you should get certain things from these places. So in the next clip you'll see items that you'll need to create your beautiful custom wreath. So take a look and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Now I just want to show you a few of the items you'll need to create your designer wreath. You'll need a hot glue gun, glue sticks, extra glue sticks, you always want to have that, your floral nippers or snips to cut your stems. You'll need your scissors. You'll also need some wire, floral wire. I typically use the kind that has the tape on it. It's better on your hands when you're working with this stuff. It really does tear up your hands. So I definitely recommend that you get this one. And I found this one in Hobby Lobby for $4.99, but I usually use a coupon, so you can get that for pretty cheap. So now to the fun part, the items that you'll use to actually create your wreath. So I went to Decorators warehouse here in the DFW area, in particular Arlington, Texas. So what we have here is your decorative berries, and these are absolutely gorgeous. They have a glitter tone to them to make it look like frost, and I thought those were very beautiful. You have a larger berry here with glitter on it, and as well as frosted greenery stems, and then there's another version of that without the berries that's even more frosted. I thought those were absolutely beautiful. And then you have your rose gold poinsettias, which I think are beautiful. Your mauve high gloss ornaments, and these in a large size. Then you have your small mauve smaller ornaments. I think are absolutely beautiful as well. And then these are absolutely beautiful. These are a crystallized frosted ornament that will make this piece really sparkle. And then we have our ribbon here, which is a glitter design I thought was absolutely beautiful. And I got some smaller ribbon from Hobby Lobby to kind of coordinate. I couldn't find what I needed at Decorators Warehouse to coordinate with what I wanted. So as you can see, the color tone is shades of gold, as well as mauve, rose gold with a frost white. This is my color scheme, and I think this is going to be beautiful. And lastly, here is the wreath. Now, I got this wreath from Hobby Lobby. I got it for 40% off, so it was like $8 bucks, I think, something like that. And this is a 24-inch wreath. I think this is a really good size for a front door, and that's where this is going to be going. So in the next clip, you'll see me start the process. So the first thing you want to do is fluff out your wreath. Make sure to take each branch of the wreath and really pull out each and every one of them. This is an important key step so that you have a really elegant, lush, full design for your wreath. The second step that I always do is I go ahead and make my bow. So there's different types of bows that you can make, but I'm just going to do a really simple but elegant bow with two different types of ribbon. I typically do a smaller, thinner ribbon, and then a wider designer ribbon that has maybe a pattern on it or something special to really make the bow pop. So just take a look and you'll see how my bow looks. So as you can see here, my bow has been made. I'm just going to fluff the bow up and I'm going to wire it to the wreath. Now, some people glue everything in. I glue some things in, but I typically like to wire some things in to, be able to pull things out if I want to change it or switch things up. So just take a look and you'll see how I do that. So the third step is where the wreath starts to really come together. You'll see here I am taking strips of ribbon and I am looping them into the wreath. This starts to give it a really full look. It brings in that ribbon through different parts of my design. All I'm doing is I'm tucking the different ends of the ribbon into the wreath and giving a loop effect. And then I curl the tail of that ribbon at the end. I'll do it in different areas and with the two different types of ribbon I have. And I just place it sporadically through the design. It just gives it a really fun, elegant look. And it really switches things up a little bit. So just take a look how I do that. Now that my ribbon is placed, it's really time to have some fun. What you'll see here is I do have a bunch of branches, and I'm taking those tendrils from the branches and I am giving them a clip. The key thing for this is to make sure you disperse your branches evenly throughout the entire design. They don't have to be perfect. In fact, it looks better when it's not perfect. So what you want to do is you just want to make sure it's dispersed evenly throughout your entire design to give it a really cohesive look. So just take a look and you'll see how I do it. So for this step, I thought it was key to make sure to show that I'm adding even more branches. Now these are different than the other ones. These are a iced sickle design branches. It gives a really beautiful frosted look. Now, layering is key when I design. It gives a very lush, full, elegant look, and it's more of a high-end design. You want to add different aspects of the same type of element. So both of these are pine frosted branches, but it just has a totally different look. So just take a look at how I place everything and where I place it, and you'll get the chance to see exactly what I'm talking about. Now it's time to add the jewelry to this wreath. Ornaments are such a special piece to any Christmas decor because, it just really gives that special touch. They come in so many different colors, variations of styles, textures, tones. So that's why it's the jewelry to me. So I'm going to place different types of ornaments in this wreath that will really give it a special look. So just see how I do that, and notice how I do variations of colors and styles and shapes. I love to really add different unique things like that because it makes, my work a little bit unique and different. Here I'm just adding more ornaments. You get to see I have some high polished, really beautiful blush ornaments, and then I'm adding some frosted ornaments with beading on it. Just absolutely gorgeous pieces that I thought would be, different and unique. Not all matchy-matchy. I like to really have a pop of something different and unique. So just take a look and see how I do that. So here I'm just adding more of my decorative branches. These are more like a berry. These give a really beautiful additional texture and tone to the arrangement. So as you'll see here, these are more of a rose gold tone. So I have like an ivory frosted color. I have blush, touches of gold, and then I have this rose gold. These are really beautiful. I actually added a little bit of pewter as well. You'll see at the very end. But just take a look and see how I add all of my decorative branches, berries, and things of that nature. As you can see now, I have my flowers. The flowers are probably my favorite part of any design that I do when it comes to holiday work, whether it be the wreaths, the Christmas trees, or the flower arrangements. It just gives us such a special touch. So what I'm doing is I'm taking off the tags and I'm gonna really fluff and open up the flowers, because when you get them in a package, they're gonna be really closed tightly. So make sure you really give it a good fluff and you open everything up so they can be really beautiful and lush in your design. So you'll see that these flowers are all in blush. They're in the tone blush, and a little bit of the rose gold. They have that little bit of touch on them with the sequins as well as the beading. They're absolutely beautiful. So you definitely will get to see that at the very end. So just take a look, and I'm going to add the flowers. Okay guys, and here's the finished product. This came out absolutely beautiful. The different types of ornaments I have in this piece, as well as the large blush toned poinsettias, the berries, the different types of ribbon. And as you can see, all the layering that I talked about earlier is key. And you'll see those smaller gold ornaments as well that you may not have been able to see earlier. But this is absolutely beautiful. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think this is probably one of my favorite designs I've ever done. This rose gold theme is seeming to be, really on trend now. And so, or it has been for a while, but I think this absolutely came out beautiful and I'm really pleased with it. So, once again, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please be sure to make sure and hit that bell notification. You definitely don't want to miss any more uploads that I'll be doing for this Christmas series. And also, if you have any other questions, comments regarding any design ideas for the holidays or anything, please feel free to, comment below. I'd definitely love to hear from you all. You can find me at Trebon Designs on Instagram as well as Facebook, and I look forward to all the new people that join the family. So once again, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.